giant pile of dirty snow. It's solid.
Bro.
Vape Nation, y'all.
Yay.
The cringe is so hard. That was the face of terror.
There she comes. We've lost her.
Time to get off this dock.
Get off the dock. We're
gonna need a bigger dock.
Oh man, that's just the exact expression I was hoping for.
Get out of here. This is too ridiculous. I'm throwing you in now. Squish, 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 squish. Oh no! Guys, she locked us on the dock.
How will we get out?
We're locked out. We're locked out.
Before she gets it. No!
How did you figure out that system?
No linya, no linya.
Quit bunching up, spread out, dispersion. Dispersion!
I'm lost. I need leadership.
Oh no. Oh no!
Man, I waved at that kid and he just gave me the dirtiest look ever. That kid up there in the window, I was like, and he just scowled at me.
I'm supposed to talk to strangers. It was too much. It all went to your head. Oh, so much bass. Oh.
I just merged prehistoric technology.
The bass was too much.
Yeah, it'll be okay. I'll turn it down. No! I actually made it work. It's time for beer.
You guys gonna share sticks?
We're gonna share some sticks.
They're gonna cross some swords.
Oh god. Don't touch that. Ready to lose? Always ready to lose. Keep those balls pretty good. No, the camera too much. The pressure's on. Don't do
Something must be going on with this table.
Something's wrong with the ball.
You know what? This turf is not the spec.
Okay. Okay, Dayton, thank you for saving us. Thank you for your foosball service.
I'm sorry for my foosball service.